The journey of words. Did you know that the English language is like a big old tree with many branches? It has a long and interesting story. A long, long time ago, people from Germany and the Netherlands came to England. They were called the Anglo-Saxons. The Anglo-Saxons brought their language with them. This language was the seed of English. Many of our first words came from them. Words for our bodies, for numbers, and for animals are often Anglo-Saxon words. Think of arm, one, and cat. Later, people from Scandinavia came to England. They brought new words with them, like sky and skin. Then, a king from France came to England. He and his people spoke French. Many French words became part of English. Because of this, we often have two words for one thing. Start is an Anglo-Saxon word, and commence is a French word. As time went on, science and technology grew. New words came from the old languages of Latin and Greek. Words like telephone and bicycle came from these languages. They helped us talk about new ideas. People from all over the world brought their words to English. This made the language rich and colorful, like a beautiful quilt.